Getting stuck with update errors in Roblox Studio, here's how to fix them quickly and get back to building. Step 1. Run as administrator. Close Roblox Studio completely. Right-click the icon and press Run as administrator. This can fix permission-related update failures. Step 2. Clear Roblox cache. Press Windows plus the R button and type %local app data %/Roblox and hit enter. Delete the versions folder. Restart Roblox Studio. This forces a fresh download of update files. Step 3. Disable antivirus firewall temporarily. Some antivirus software blocks Roblox updates. Try disabling real-time protection or whitelisting Roblox Studio beta.exe in your firewall settings. Step 4. Reinstall Roblox Studio. If all else fails, uninstall and then re-download Roblox Studio from the official site. And that's how you fix update errors fast. Like and subscribe for more Roblox videos. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.